lovelies, let's make this high protein variation of a baked ziti. It's cheesy, meaty, and saucy, and we're using protein plant-based elbows to make it. Start by boiling your pasta to al dente, then we'll move on to prepping our ricotta. We're adding 2 eggs, Parmesan and mozzarella cheeses. Give that a quick stir, and then we're going to season with nutmeg, onion and garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and then set aside. Season up your meat using salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and sugar. Sweat down some onion and garlic, then add your meat. Once cooked, go in with your tomato sauce and cook down until it thickens up nicely. Add your meat sauce to your cooked pasta and mix well. And you can definitely eat this as is if you want to, or you can go ahead and create creamy layers of ricotta, Parmesan, and mozzarella. I was able to get 2 layers in this pan, and then I just simply baked and